What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's been a minute since we've been recording, but we've been making some strides. Making some real strides here. Cameron, he's been welding the Volvo like crazy. Body panels, he's doing some stitch welding, filling in the holes here. Looking pretty awesome, actually. I mean, not awesome, but it's doable. Race car shit. Oh yeah. Look at all those welds. Tell me that's not badass.
So we're at Brodie's shop right now, the shop he works at, and almost got set on fire here. There was brake cleaner all over the floor and it burst into flames. He almost died, but there are the awful welds. If only it would focus. But either way, the diff is welded now. Pretty much completely done. I just have to go in there with a wire wheel or something. I have a chisel and I've just been kind of going at it trying to get all those beads off, but it was a pain in the ass, super pain in the ass. Well, the diff is welded, everything's back together. Got it on the lift right now. Both wheels are spinning. Oh yeah, we're gonna put some new gear oil through it and stuff after we just let it run a bit and try to clean out whatever might be left behind. There's a lot of stuff that we had to blow out afterwards, a lot of, you know, metal shards and stuff like that. Little beads from welding. But either way, hopefully it will stand up to real torture being on the road. We'll find out soon.
You haven't seen my car in a long time. So pretty much over the winter, I essentially did nothing with it. It sat outside, got rusty. But right now, oh, you can't see anything. Hold on, let me get some photons on this. No, where'd my light go? Oh, shit. Where'd I put my flashlight? Alright, plug a flashlight. Alright, anyway, so, as you can see, the subframe's completely out right now. I'm doing aluminum subframe bushings and all the rear arms, and I don't even know if I should tell you guys yet, but I've gotten a couple more mods. One, I got some new knuckles. I got Max Ultra Angle steering knuckles for the S13, and right now, like, this is just about full lock. As you can see, the tie rod's hitting the control arm here, but compared to before, I have some really nice lock, and I just ordered some new lower control arms and tension rods, so it should be looking perfect once that. I'm hoping for like 60 degrees of angle. I am going to have to raise it because I'm smashed all inside here now because I'm way too low. Like, I lowered this thing another 3 inches. The rear looks awesome, but it's ridiculously low. My exhaust, there's a nice flat spot in it. But one huge thing I never really talked about, and I'm sure you guys saw it on Instagram if you follow us, but I know you actually do, is I put a cylinder front end on the 2 wheels. So I'll show you that now. It's really nothing special. And it's all pieced together. It's really nothing big at all. It's all hacked up. I have a new bumper, I have side skirts, I have a rear bumper now, so I have a full kit ready to go. I'm just looking for paint and a lot of body work. It's just kind of the last thing on my priority list. I need to do, guys. Like, literally a shit ton. Like, I got a K24E single overhead cam, but it's all in pieces and it's all full return. Like, the whole thing. Brand new head with new springs, valves, blocks, resurfaced, all that good stuff. So this should be, I'm looking for like 400 to 450 horsepower after it's turbo. So that should be in the next few months. I just got a lot of stuff I'm like on my plate right now with work and everything. It's just a hassle. But yeah, so got the Volvo 240. We got the 240 up here in pieces. Subframe's all taken apart. I'll bring you over to my car in a second. But yeah, just a couple things, like mods wise. I haven't really done much, but we got subframe, or not, sorry, power steering, aluminum bushings right there. They're offset bushings, so they push it forward. They're made by Max. Max is a great company. They hooked me up with the knuckles, these. I also have their tie rod spacers. So it just ties the whole thing together. And I mean, like, look at that angle, man. Like, look at that. That is some nice angle. And that's with crappy lower control arms, not high-end lower control arms at all. Nothing like that. You probably can't even hear me over the compressor. So we got my whole rear end back here. I got camber arms, tension rods, and tow arms in the rear. Nothing too crazy. I'll be doing the aluminum bushings tomorrow, just because it's kind of late. I didn't want to start burning them out. We had guests over across the parking lot of the shop. They probably wouldn't, you know, appreciate the burning rubber smell. But yeah, so I'll attack these tomorrow. They're going to be a whole lot of fun. I'm really not looking forward to this at all, because I know it's going to be like 2 hours just trying to get these out, let alone the new ones in. But yeah, everything's kind of all coming together. I'm slowly getting there, but you know, any little bit of progress is progress. So I'm pretty happy with what I'm doing. After this, it should feel fantastic. Maybe, and I mean maybe, I might go to my first drift event once this is all lined up and everything, because I do need to do alignment on it. But yeah, big progress tonight, big progress this weekend, and yeah, that's all I really got for you.